All right, here we are. We're doing an infrared press right here. It's really, really important that we understand when to take it off. And we literally are taking it off as we speak. About an 8-minute press?
8 minutes, yep.
8 minutes.
8 minutes. You could cut down to 7 in the middle of the summer. Just all depends on ambient temperature outside. And obviously heat of the asphalt, if it's wet, if there's dirt.
What about winter?
Winter, you might have to go a little bit longer just to get the moisture out first. And then you always want to keep in about 1 inch, 2 inches from your hot edge.
You're scoring the edge right now?
Yep, you're just doing your window frame.
Yep, window frame.
Then you want to scarify it.
Little floor scraper.
Rake.
Oh, it's a beauty.
You want to rejuve it. This just helps it bond to your hot edge and helps it bond to the layer underneath of it. Do we have a shovel? Yeah, we do. Okay. Thank you.
Here we go. Mini recycler. The black gold's coming out. Black gold is coming out. It's cutting edge. New industry standard here for mini patching, on-demand patching repairs. I love that. Look at this. Fresh, beautiful asphalt. So far, we're like 10 minutes into this repair, 10 minutes in. And remember, most people are charging anywhere from $100 to $125 a press for that repair. Obviously, if you had like 10 or 15, 20 repairs, high volume, it's a little bit different, but $125 per press. Making sure to add in additional asphalt so that you don't have a void, right? Because you could end up with bird bass and so on.
And you want the fresh stuff on the top too.
Fresh stuff on the top.
So key is when you're raking it out, you don't want to dig too deep with your rake, otherwise you'll bring the bottom layer up to the top. And then you'll have a bunch of this white stone sitting on top, and it just won't look that nice.
Absolutely. Bingo bango. And this is the most satisfying part right here, right? You know, there's one special thing that happens after you compact it. You know what it is? Collect the money. Bingo bango, absolutely perfect. Look at that. No more water deposits. We know what happens when water gets into those small cracks in the base of those imperfections, erodes the foundation. Asphalt can't bear its own weight. You end up with gator cracks, alligator cracks,
Yep.
potholes, liabilities, fast track to deterioration. If you're looking at learning more about starting your very own patching business, right here at Asphalt Kingdom, we've got all of the equipment packages you need, the resources, the tools, and the training to absolutely go crush it. Remember, potholes are everywhere. Let's go keep this pavement safe, long lasting, and looking great for all these property owners. Let's go.